All right, now that we've learned our hip tilt fundamentals, we can add them onto a dance cohesion drill by April Rose. So you want to be in your neutral dance posture facing forward. And then we are going to turn so that our right hip is downstage or downstage left. You're at a diagonal. And your head is facing forward, but your body is sort of facing this way. And we have this foot in a releve position, so the heel is up and the ball of the foot is down. That can be low, high, it just depends on what's comfortable in your personal skeleton that you're working with. And you'll notice both knees are staying bent, staying at that slight neutral dance posture bend. And that when I bend this knee more, the hips don't move. The hips stay in that neutral posture. And then we'll go back to center and we'll face the other way with the left hip downstage. So facing a diagonal with your body and your head is facing front. This will come into play more if you use the dance cohesion concepts to come into cue cohesion, which is an improvisational format. So this foot is up. And now let's go over the transition between those. So when we are turning this way, we're going to lift the ball of this foot, rotate this whole leg from the hip socket, place the foot ball down, shift the weight, lift this heel up, and then slide the ball so that it's sort of parallel with the ball of your other foot. Sometimes I end up putting it a little bit in front just for balance, but ideally you want it parallel with the other ball. And then we go back, we slide this back, and we put our weight temporarily more here, lift up that front ball, rotate, center, and down. And this all happens very quickly, and it's actually much easier when you do it quickly. So lift this ball, rotate that whole leg from the hip socket, place it down, lift that heel, slide it over. Slide it back, lift the ball, face front, drop heel and ball. And you're always in this slight bend and your hips are always in neutral. So let's try that a couple times. Rotate, slide, rotate, neutral, rotate, slide, slide, rotate, neutral. You can try that a few times. And the concept of this drill is that you are going to do 2 8 counts facing front, 2 8 counts facing this direction, 2 8 counts facing front, and 2 8 counts facing the other direction. And if you want to do a different direction first than I'm doing, that is completely okay. It doesn't actually matter. I'm just having the right hip downstage first because that is the way that April taught it to me. But if you wanted to do the left hip downstage first, that would be equally valid, as long as you do both sides. So 2 8 counts, 2 8 counts, 2 8 counts, 2 8 counts, 2 8 counts. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, actually, so it's front, diagonal, end. So you have 8 8 counts total in the drill. And the entire time, you're just going full time with the hip ups. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'll start that on the right hip, as we usually, if in the normal way that we do this drill, although if you decided to do it reversed, it will be a fun brain challenge. But we will start with the right hip coming up, and we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you hold on 8. So this right hip is staying up. Hold on 8. And then we bring this left hip up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Back to neutral, and you're done with the drill. And then you can keep going, or you can go into something else. And then the last aspect of this particular drill is the family arms. So we are going to do arm family 1 from Dance Cohesion, where the arms start here. So normally, anatomical posture, you have a little bit of external rotation in the shoulders, your palms are facing forward. So instead, you're going to rotate internally a little bit, face the palms back, and you're going to take them from the hips and then down enough that you have just a slight bend in the arms. And the elbows are pointing not to the side and not to the back, but sort of diagonal. So they're pointing to the back diagonals. And it's just a gentle bend. So my hand is on my upper thigh. How far down your thighs or hips your arms are will depend on the length of your arms. What you're looking for is just a nice soft bend. And this is going to be facing forward. And then as you turn diagonal, you're going to bring both hands up to the hips and then let this arm go out. And from here, so however bent your elbows are here, you're going to keep that elbow in place and then extend the arm out. And then when you come back, hands on hips, and then the other side, you extend the arm out. So more softer bend, hips, one arm out, hips, one arm out. Softer bend, hips, one arm out, at hips, hips, one arm out. So this is family A, family 1, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. All right, and that's all the components we need to do the basic drill. So let's practice that, and then I'll create another video where we do it to music, because sometimes you can't really hear my voice over the music. So we'll start in 1A, arms, facing front, right hip starting up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Left. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. I'm going to do it one more time. Try not to pause at that rotation, so you can follow along. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold. All right, so I will post a drill video doing this to some music, but until then, you have learned the basics of the first dance cohesion drill: hip tilts, frontal plane, family one arms.